Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Krups espresso machine. The customer brought it in because they said the grinder wasn't working. However, we've tested the machine a couple times and we're not having any issues with the grinder. Let's go ahead and make an espresso. So yeah, we see you get a good shot of espresso. And then this is asking us to fill the water tank. And then place the container in the steam nozzle. I didn't fill the water tank, but I also just wanted to see the puck, so you can see the puck is a good sized puck for this machine. So yeah, it seems to be working well. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you.